In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is conversion AI really just plagiarism AI? Be sure to watch this entire video as I go through everything live. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So as you know, I'm sure you've heard of this software called Conversion.AI. Basically what it is Conversion.ai can help you with long form content, YouTube videos. You basically just give it an idea and it will take it off and run. But there are some skeptics out there that think that conversion AI maybe is just plagiarism. And so I'm going to test that today with my own website, alstongodbolt.com. So let's go ahead and log into conversion AI. We're going to test it against the blog that's already out there, a blog post that's already been posted for a few days. And so we're really going to try and get this figured out for you once and for all. All right, so change of plans a little bit. Instead of using my own blog, I have to use someone else's. And it says right here that this is 100% plagiarized. I grabbed the first paragraph from this Genius Link blog right here. As you can see, they have spent some time writing about the Lowe's affiliate program. It's ranked #1 on Google. So I'm just going to copy this here, and I'm going to jump back over to Conversion AI and start this process over again. So long form assistant, and I'm going to paste in this right here, and then I'm going to click on continue and then generate ideas. What I want to do is I want to try and keep the paragraph, I want to try and keep everything as close as possible so that we can get a very accurate depiction if this information is unique or not. So I'm going to click on Lowe's affiliate program commission rates, and then I'm going to click on generate ideas, and then we're going to compare this to the other to see if this is unique information or plagiarized. So the first sentence that I copied was, we're very excited to announce Genius Link's auto affiliation support for the Lowe's affiliate program. Lowe's is the second largest home improvement retailer in the world and Fortune 50 company with a staggering online product catalog of over 1.2 million products and 2,000 physical products, blah, blah, blah. All right, so on the intro paragraph here, we are going to look at this first one. Lowe's is the most expensive affiliate program at the major retailer. Lowe's is the most extensive affiliate program of the major retailer. That's probably not true. Lowe's is the second largest home improvement retailer in North America. That's probably true. Lowe's is one of the largest home improvement retailers in North America. They have a lot to offer customers, and they want to help spread the word. Lowe's offers an affiliate program where individuals can promote their products. So we could go with this one, and we're going to click and use. So I'm going to click on Open Editor. And what we're simply going to do is I'm going to jump back over to this blog post here, and I'm just going to copy. I'm going to copy this first sentence here. I'm going to copy this entire first sentence, and we're going to see if the information that Grammarly spits out is unique, or if the information that Conversion AI spits out is unique. So I'm just going to paste that there, and then I'm going to click on Compose. And then what we need to do, products. So it looks like it actually repeated some of the stuff up there, so we can delete that. And we'll get rid of all of that right there. Let's see. Let's jump back over the Lowe's lineage. See, 1921. The first store was a 20 by 50 room in the back of his father's general store. So if we copy this and go back over to Grammarly, I'm going to delete this, and we're going to see if it's been taken from anywhere. Click on plagiarism again. Inconsistent punctuation. We don't care about that. And it looks like it's unique. So let's go through and grab another sentence. Looking online, Lowe's.com is currently positioned as the 193rd most popular. So I'm just going to copy this right here. And I'm going to hit the pound sign here, double pound sign, just to show that we don't want Conversion AI to look back any further than what it is. So I'm just going to click on Compose, and we're going to let it figure it out. According to Alexa.com, which measures a world's popularity and rank. Let's see. I'm going to copy all of this. Let's see. According to Alexa.com, which measures a website's popularity and rank by looking at factors such as how often is accessed, the number of sites linking in, and general web traffic patterns. So if I copy this and I go over to Grammarly once again, we're going to see if this information is unique or plagiarized. So I'm just going to delete this, paste that in, and then I'm going to click on this plagiarism checker. It looks like it says it's 100% unique. I just keep clicking that a few times and it says it's fine. If we continue on here, I'm just going to copy this entire paragraph and I'm going to paste it in here. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm trying to force it to plagiarize some information. So I'm just going to delete this right here. I'm going to add that double pound sign and I'm going to paste this right in. And then I'm going to click on compose yet again. And we're looking to see if Grammarly is, we're looking to see if Conversion.AI will just grab information from the internet. This is the sole purpose, is to make sure that Grammarly is creating 100% unique information. Now, obviously we want to go through and we'd want to read and make sure that the information is accurate, but right now we're just checking to see if the information is unique. So I go back over to Grammarly here. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to paste it in. And you know, a good control would be to take the information that was plagiarized, copied and pasted, and add it in to see if Grammarly is even able to pick out what was taken and what wasn't. So I'm just going to delete this real quick, and I'm going to paste this entire thing, both stuff that was copied and stuff that wasn't. And as you can see, it says it was 56% plagiarized, and it found that first paragraph, but the information below claims to be unique. And we can go through and do this over and over again, just to show you that it is spitting out original, unique content and information. So if you were concerned about Grammarly, or if you were concerned about Conversion.AI giving out unique information, it looks like it's pretty unique. I'm even going to change this to long because it'll give out more words. And I'm just going to click on compose. And what we can do at the end of this is I can copy the entire document, and it should be able to point out what was stolen, what was original, what was copied, I should say, and what was original. Don't worry, I am not going to put this on my blog anywhere. I just want to show you that the power of Conversion.AI and how it is able to help you write unique content. So I'm just going to copy this all real quick here, and we're going to jump over to Grammarly. I am going to delete this, and I'm going to paste this in. And then once again, when we click on plagiarism checker, it says that it is 49% plagiarized. Let's go back over to plagiarism checker here. It says that plagiarism is at a 49%, and it is able to pick out what was copied and what wasn't. So this is a pretty good, pretty helpful thing here. If we jump back over here to the Lowe's affiliate program has been, okay, so yep, it looks like the good news is if you decide to use Conversion.AI, it is giving you unique original content. If we just removed everything that was taken that I directly copied and pasted, it is or should give you 100% unique content. And if we go through and read it, we'll probably have to make a few changes, but it's much easier to make few changes than writing a complete blog post of, let's say, 2,000 words. Essentially, you could write a 2,000 word blog post in 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much editing that you need to do. And as you can see, the information is 100% unique and 100% real. If we scroll up here, it's actually kind of interesting, the information that it is able to output. We could even do this again. Let's do something like, let's do a popular site like ESPN. You could say this is really niche. It would be hard or easy to find that, but let's go ahead and I'm just going to jump over to ESPN.com, and I'm going to copy the heading, and then I'm going to let really Conversion.AI figure out most of it. So if we go over to Grammarly here, I'm just going to copy this, and Grammarly should see that this is 100% stolen from ESPN.com. So I'm going to paste this in right here, and I'm going to click on plagiarism checker. Once again, 100% plagiarized. All right, so if we go follow the steps once again, I'm going to hit the back button here, go to dashboard. I'm going to go to long form assistant once again. Now remember, long form assistant is only available on the pro users, so it's the $99 plan, but you get unlimited credit. So you can write blog posts until your heart's content. You can test this until your heart's content. I'm just going to paste this title here, click on continue. Hopefully it doesn't give us that sensitive information error. So let's see, expected to miss. We'll just copy this one right here, and then we're going to click on generate ideas, and let's see what it gives us. Let's look at the introduction paragraph over here. An MRI on the right ankle Sprain of Donovan Mitchell revealed no structural damage, but the Utah Jazz guard is expected to miss several games before he is cleared to return. Sources tell ESPN's Adrian Wojnarowski, probably killed his name. Let's see. Donovan Mitchell's injury is a scary one for the Utah Jazz. The team will be without leading scorer, rebounder, and playmaker for a few games as he recovers from an MRI that revealed no structural damage in his leg. Now, the interesting thing about this is a quote that we can actually include in a blog post. As long as we cite it correctly, that wouldn't be an issue. But as you can see here, this is 100% unique. Utah Jazz rookie, that's not correct. The Jazz rookie, that's not correct. So this first one would be the best one here. So we would copy that, and then we're going to click on Open Editor. Donovan Mitchell's injury is a scary one for Utah Jazz. The team will be without a leading scorer, rebound, and playmaker for a few games as he recovers from an MRI that revealed no structural damage in his leg. Despite the severity of the injury being relatively small, this has huge implications on how they'll do without him on the court. This is a very good introductory paragraph. I could argue that it's probably better than ESPN's. If we go over to Grammarly here, and we're going to delete this, I am going to paste this one here, and I'm going to wait for the plagiarism checker. It says it's 100% unique. So you could use this if you wanted to. Essentially, you could probably start a blog on the NBA and write unique content. Let's copy this right here. We'll copy this first. Actually, we'll just copy this. So I'm going to copy right here. Mitchell suffered the injury during the third quarter. I'm going to jump back over to Conversion.ai. I'm going to hit return a few times, and I'm going to hit the double pound sign, paste that in, and then click on compose. And again, it's going to give us more information during the third quarter Utah Jazz game against the Detroit Pistons. Utah Jazz, I don't expect to miss several games. Let's see, let's get rid of that. And then just to show you again, this is really trying to come up with some unique information, but it's wrong. It says that the Pistons, but it was actually against the Pacers, as you can see. So you got to be careful when it comes to using this, because the information you do need to verify and check and make sure that it's real. So if we hit return a couple times again, pound sign, paste that in, and click on compose. Let's see what happens. Let's see, despite the series, it looks like it keeps giving us the same information. So that could be problematic if you don't pay attention. We're just going to copy this real quick here again, and then I'm going to go over on to long, paste this in, and we're going to click on long here, and then I'm going to click on compose. One of the issues that people are reporting is that if you're blogging about something extremely technical, it can provide some challenges. Let's see, immediately grabbed his lower leg. We could get rid of this because we know that's incorrect. Grabbed his lower leg in pain. Get help to teammate Patrice O'Neal and trainer supporting him. So this right here might be plagiarized just a little bit. Sources told Wojnarowski on Friday Mitchell was learning him. Yeah, so it looks like it's struggling just a little bit. Might be because the newness of the information. The information is relatively fresh, and it might not be able to go a whole lot of directions. But if we copy this here, we'll copy this, and then we'll jump over to Grammarly, and we'll see how much is being plagiarized, being directly lifted. So if we click on plagiarism checker down here, it says that the information is 100% unique. So we know that actually it's saying that it's about 4% plagiarized, which is interesting because we know that some of this is directly copied and pasted. So good and bad is that it does give out unique content. The bad is it appears that the content has to be a little bit older, or there has to be a lot of information on the content. For example, there's probably not a lot of people reporting on this injury for Donovan Mitchell. I hope he gets well soon, but it looks like there isn't a ton of information on the internet for this type of content. But if we were to write on the Lowe's affiliate program or something that's old and doesn't change that much, where there's a lot of people writing about it, it looks like that's pretty easy for for Conversion AI to handle. So know that going into it. Know that you're probably going to have more success on content that doesn't change that much, and content that isn't brand new. As you can see, while it does work a little bit, there is some struggle, some hiccups when it comes to new and timely information. If you're creating content about things that don't evolve, maybe basket weaving, let's try basket weaving. And I'm not just trying to make the video longer than it has to be. It's important to know what works and what doesn't work when it comes to Grammarly. So we're going to type in basket weaving, hit enter. If we scroll down here, we'll say, let's do how to basket weave. We'll say how to start basket weaving. How to start basket weaving. All right, so if we scroll down here a little bit, weaving a wicker basket, the most comprehensive basket, step by step. All right, so we're going to copy this and shout out to these people for creating content on wicker baskets. So we're going to go back over here. We're going to go to dashboard again. We're going to go to long form assistant, long form. We're going to type how to weave a willow basket, click on continue, generate ideas. And then we're going to see what these titles and introductory paragraph looks like. It might struggle because there isn't a ton of content about wicker baskets, but let's see what happens. How to weave a willow basket and why you should. How to make an easy willow basket, the art of weaving. Let's do 11 steps. Let's do this one. And then we're going to click on generate idea for an introductory paragraph once again. And all of this is real time. There's no editing. You can hear me mumbling and kind of stumbling through some of this. Weaving a willow basket is an old tradition that has been handed down for centuries. The materials used to make these baskets are simple: willow, string, and time. It's not complicated either. Nowadays, you can find all the necessary materials in your local craft store or even online. Onlinemart.com. Let's see what onlinemart.com is, if that's even relevant to this. So we go to online.com. While that's working, we're going to use this introductory paragraph. We're going to go to open editor, and then we are going to go down to, let's use this paragraph right here. Now again, if you're writing blogs, don't do this. I'm just showing you the power of Grammarly and how the information that's being created is unique. So we hit the space bar there, click on compose, change this to long, click on compose, and then we're just going to copy this right over into Grammarly and see if the information is unique. This is interesting. The rod inside of the basket is called a stake, and those rods wrapping around it are called strands. The stake will be vertical with one or more horizontal strands reaching over to touch it from either side of or at an angle. This allows for weaving in different directions as well as providing stability to keep the shape of the basket while being woven. This is interesting. I know nothing about wicker baskets, and now I'm kind of an expert. And so I'm going to copy this once again, jump back over to Grammarly. Now remember, this paragraph right here is the one that is plagiarized. It's the one that's copied and pasted. So we're just going to click on refresh once again. I'm going to delete all of this, and then I'm just going to paste it right into, I'm going to paste our results from Conversion.AI right in here, and we can see, let's see, we go down to plagiarism. And remember, this paragraph right here should be considered plagiarized. Right? Yep. So I got that. It's saying overall it's 17% plagiarized, with the introductory paragraph that we did being unique, and that was done through Conversion.AI. This was copied directly from this website here, and then the rest of it came back from Conversion.AI. So as you can see, this is pretty good. Pretty unique. Now, there are tons of plagiarism checkers out there. I use Grammarly because it's available online. It's relatively easy to get started. Check it out if you want. But as you can see with Conversion.AI, it has a lot of unique content. And even if you feed it copied and paste information, it's still giving you some unique stuff. So definitely check it out. I'll put a link for Conversion.AI in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I won't make any money from it. Go check it out because this can help you create content. Now, yesterday, which is really today for me, is I showed you 3 ways that I'm using Conversion AI, which is for Quora posts. Check that out if you haven't, for email marketing as well as for TikTok videos. Check out that video if you want to learn how to do it those different ways, but Conversion AI can be a great opportunity for you. Now that you know how to use Conversion AI and that it is providing unique information, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free video training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get started today. Check out these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.